Kita ulit tayo bukas sa inyong pambasang morning show kung saan lagi una ka. Una Tandaan mo yan, ha?
Anang Hirit is produced by AirAsia Bini Public Affairs Production.
Podcast Network Asia.
B-I-N-I-B-I-N-I Bini! Podcast na mawalang jowa! 2, 3, mabuhay! Hi everyone, I am Bini Aya.
Hi guys, I'm Beanie Stacy and we are
the
Beanie Healers for today. Kasi
Manggagamot pala dyan.
manggagamot po kami for today guys, and marami kaming i-share tungkol sa mga
Kasi yung topic namin is about healing
stage.
Yes, healing stage.